Listen carefully, because by the time this video ends, your perspective on money and success will transform forever. I'm about to share the core principles that propelled me to millionaire status, distilled from the wisdom of the world's top entrepreneurs. And when you apply this step-by-step method, staying poor will become nearly impossible. /n imagine the burden of unpaid bills lifting from your shoulders, replaced by deep, peaceful sleep. Picture opening your bank app and seeing numbers that ease your worries and let you breathe freely. That reality is within reach, not thanks to the economy or a lucky lottery ticket, but because of the mindset you adopt and the actions you take right after watching this. Especially the sixth step I'll reveal, /n step 1. Stop believing in the myth that wealth arrives without effort. Money flows toward those already moving forward. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, are you waiting for lightning to strike, or are you ready to light your own match? Visualize the life you desire so vividly that you can almost smell the coffee in your future kitchen. Speak to yourself as if your goals are already signed contracts, because words shape emotions, emotions build habits, and habits pull income along. Riches never grow in unworked soil. Plant your seed today, even if all you have is a few coins and borrowed tools. /n when others succeed, don't let jealousy consume you. Watching someone else's feast with empty hands is a wasted opportunity. Their success proves that doors can open on your street too. Tell yourself, if that door opened for them, I can build my own. Focus all your energy on one clear target. A scattered mind is like a flashlight in a stadium, bright but ineffective. Cut off gossip and endless scrolling. Only keep thoughts that pay rent in your head. Find work you can at least tolerate. If your current job feels like cement around your ankles, start moving after hours until you discover something that ignites your passion. Life is too short to trade daylight for misery. /n I've seen people so in love with their craft that vacations feel optional rather than escapes. If you feel trapped, spend evenings consuming free tutorials. Use weekends to test ideas and pivot at the first spark. Passion might not pay tomorrow, but it compounds faster than any interest rate on earth. /n feed your mind more than your phone. 30 quiet minutes with a book about money or a skill-building video will pull you further than hours lost in social media. Reading is free mentorship from giants and sharpens the questions you didn't even know to ask. Remember, your environment often beats willpower. If everyone around you complains about the cost of living, find a new table where ideas and solutions flow, not negativity. Guard every minute like a precious gem, and invest it only in actions that push you forward. /n finish your most important tasks first, stacking success like bricks in a bridge to freedom. Live below your means, no exceptions. This discipline isn't deprivation, it's a vote for your future. Every dollar you keep is a tiny employee working for you while you sleep. Send those dollars to assets that send thank you notes back, dividends, interest, or extra cash flow. Watch your financial family tree sprout new branches year after year. /n setbacks will come. When they do, breathe deeply, shake it off, and fight back. Time is the one resource you cannot restock. Spend it like gold. Say yes only to projects that move you forward. Say no to anything that steals your daylight. Keep your body strong with fresh air, good food, and movement. A healthy heart fuels every hour with energy. Celebrate your wins, but stay humble. Record what works, reinvest quietly, and flow like a silent river toward your goals. Obstacles aren't dead ends, they're intelligence briefings. The stronger your discipline, the less drama your money life carries. Teach others while you climb, explaining locks knowledge deeper and often opens unseen doors. /n treat technology as your servant, not your jailer. The same phone that connects you to mentors and markets can steal half your day. Choose to create more than you consume. Write your goals by hand, on paper they become real. Guard your credit score fiercely. Borrow only for assets that pay back. Protect your reputation with integrity, trust accelerates every deal. /n start small if you need to. Share a useful article. Answer a question in a forum. Volunteer for projects. Value is magnetic. When you give it freely, it returns multiplied, often from unexpected places. Dream big, but keep 1 foot grounded in math. If a plan takes 10 years, remember the decade passes whether you act or drift. Measure everything: income, expenses, hours practiced, new contacts. Because what you measure, you master. /n/n push yourself into discomfort. Growth lives outside the comfort zone, and money chases growth. Rest intentionally. A brisk walk or 20 minutes of stillness beats a day lost to mindless shows. /n/n when this video ends, take one concrete action in the next hour. Open a document and calculate your true net worth. Cancel a forgotten subscription, or toss $10 into an investment account online. Motion beats meditation. Small repeated actions move mountains. /n/n cashier, I know, tracked every dime for a month and noticed 5 daily snack runs were draining $150. She swapped impulse treats for homemade lunches and funneled savings into a low-cost index fund. 10 years later, those sandwiches were worth over $25,000. Small hinges swing wide doors. Another neighbor repaired broken phones after work, armed with free tutorials and a $20 toolkit. His side hustle soon outturned his day job, allowing him to open a kiosk employing 3 people. The internet can turn almost any honest skill, tutoring, design, pet sitting, translation, into a global storefront. /n/n build an emergency fund, even if it starts with a single folded bill. Feed it every payday so crises become inconveniences, not disasters. Learn money language, compound interest, equity, cash flow, so slick promises and hidden fees don't fool you. Negotiate relentlessly, from salaries to bills. The worst answer you'll hear is no, and one polite question can save you thousands annually without extra work. Create multiple income streams so if one dries up, others keep flowing. /n/n automate good habits. Move money to savings and investments the moment it arrives, before impulse steps in. Guard your online image like your front door. Post growth and kindness, not rants, because employers and clients silently check before they reach out. Track not just time but energy. Give your mental peak to tasks demanding sharp thinking. Practice gratitude. A mindset of abundance dares you to invest, negotiate, and create. Gratitude cools the engine and reveals leverage points you missed. Treat idle minutes as mini universities: audiobooks while commuting, tutorials while cooking, brainstorms while waiting. Suddenly hobbies become income, casual contacts become mentors. /n/n we've covered mindset, habits, strategies, and proof, all in one steady conversation. Now the next move is yours. Wealth isn't magic. It favors ordinary people who repeat simple actions with uncommon consistency. Promise yourself, say it aloud if it helps, that you will think like a winner, act like a builder, spend like a planner, and learn like a lifelong student. Begin today. /n/n knowledge unused is like seeds stuck in their packet, full of potential but unable to sprout. So close this video, stand up, and pick one small money-building act before the clock steals another hour. Batch cook tomorrow's lunch. List that unused gadget online. Watch a 10-minute tutorial on a skill you can sell by the weekend. Action, even awkward first steps, is the entry fee to the life you deserve. Staying poor after this would mean ignoring it, and you're too sharp for that. In fact, I bet you've already subscribed to this channel. If not, do it now. Like this video to see more, and tell me what you think about this strategy in the comments. I'll see you soon.